In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today the topic under discussion is gypsum. What is gypsum? Gypsum is a mineral that exists throughout the world along with rocks. It is actually hydrated calcium sulfate with formula CaSO4.2H2. So we can write gypsum is a mineral that exists throughout the world in combination with rock deposits. It is actually hydrated calcium sulfate. Hydrated means that contain water. Now come towards its formula. Its formula is CaSO4.2H2O. Now move towards its properties. What are the properties of gypsum? Its properties are, it is very soft and it undergoes cleavage. It is soluble in water. It is clear to white in color typically, but due to the presence of impurities it becomes colored, and this color is reddish to brown or yellow in color. So we can write its properties. First of all, it is soft, that can be easily identified. Second point is that it undergoes cleavage. Third point is that it is soluble in water. Due to the solubility, it can be easily identified. Fourth point is that it is typically clear to white in color. But due to the presence of impurities, it show color. It shows color from reddish to brown or yellow. Okay, these are its properties. Now move towards the role of gypsum in industries and in agriculture. First of all, we'll explain its role in agriculture. This gypsum is added in the form of fertilizers to soils. Why it is added to soils? Because it contains calcium and sulfur. So those lands where deficiency of calcium or sulfur occurs, they are subjected to the addition of gypsum fertilizer to meet this deficiency. So first point is that it is added in soils as a source of calcium and sulfur. Particularly that soil which is subjected to extensive leaching. And it has been observed that those plants which are subjected to the addition of this gypsum fertilizer, they show better growth, they show extensive root system, they have better chlorophyll development, which is necessary for the process of photosynthesis that occurs in plants. So what are the benefits of it? It helps in chlorophyll development, although it is not a part of chlorophyll, but it helps. Second point is that good crops result in using this fertilizer. Third point is that root system of plants becomes extensive. Due to this extensive root system, good crops are produced. Now, second point is that in industries, how it is used in industries? When gypsum is heated under controlled conditions, it loses 3/4 of water of crystallization. The resulting product is called as plaster of Paris. When gypsum is heated too much, then gypsum must not be heated too strongly, as anhydrous salt is formed, which then absorb water. The resulting gypsum is called as dead burnt. So plaster of Paris can also be formed, and dead burnt gypsum can also be formed in industries. So we can write here, when gypsum is heated under controlled conditions, it loses 3/4 of water of 3/4 of water of crystallization, and the resulting product is called as plaster of Paris. Okay, if it is heated too much, then the resulting anhydrous salt will be formed, which will absorb water, and this will be called as dead burnt gypsum. Now we come towards its uses. Uses of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used, first of all, it is used in surgery. Second point is that it is used in cast statuary. Third point is in making coins. Fourth point is making plaster walls. Plaster walls are also prepared. And last point is plaster of Paris bandages are also available These bandages are used for fractured bones to set them in place. Okay, this is all about today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.